Sellers. I'm head of custom motorsport at Royal Enfield, and I'm here tonight in Melbourne to celebrate the 3rd Australia-New Zealand Busted Knuckles build-off. It's been great to have everybody here. The drinks have been great, the food's been great, the atmosphere is awesome. So yeah, we hope we can keep it rolling all through the next year.
Now the moment we've all been waiting for. The winner of the 3rd Australia-New Zealand Busted Knuckles build-off is Grid Motorcycles with RE1000.
We had a bunch of really incredible builds here as part of the 3rd edition of the Australia-New Zealand Busted Knuckles build-off. We got everything from very Mad Max to very simple to throwing flames. But in the end, the winner here was from Grid Motorcycles, the RE1000. The judging is designed to be very objective. So we judge on things like fabrication, design, paint quality, detailing, trying to give everybody a chance, because somebody's good at paint, somebody's good at fabrication. We want to make sure that each one is recognized for what they bring to the build. Ultimately though, the RE1000 here won because it was the best combination of all those things. The paint work was excellent, the detailing was spot on, fabrication, well, you can't argue with that. It's a ground up frame, so full marks for that. And then they went in and bored out the motor to 1000 cc or over 1000 cc, as I'm told. So when you put all that together, it makes a really exceptional build, and we're really proud to have this as our 2026 Busted Knuckles build-off Australia-New Zealand winner.
The boys worked so hard on this. 400 plus hours, lots of blood, sweat, and tears went into this. We're so appreciative for everything that you guys brought to this, and we're so happy to be a part of the Royal Enfield community. Thanks guys, until next year.